people are paying monthly for one AI model and someone are unable to find the single free AI tools. But while I am using DeepSeek, Qwen, Kimi, MiniMax and all other popular model inside the VS Code for free and unlimited, the craziest part is you only need a one NVIDIA API key. Let me show you how to unlock the unlimited AI model in under 5 minutes. In this today's video, I'll show you how you can access all the free and unlimited available popular and powerful model that will be present in the current market. Where in my past 2-3 video, I have already shown you how you can access some freely available model, but some of you are unable to get this model and some model are not available. Just like MiniMax is not available on the open code, open router remove the reward claim. This type of problem you have faced and comment it out. But in this today's video, I'll show you the best and easiest way that you can access all the most popular and freely available model in the market. We are going to use through the NVIDIA. First, go to the build.nvidia.com. I'll also provide the link is in description. First, you need to create account here. To get the API key, first you need to create account and you also need to verify your account. I'm expecting as you are a developer or going to be a developer, I don't need to instruct how to create account and how you can verify your account. Just you can easily create your account through your email, Google account, GitHub account and verify with your phone number. Then you are landed it here. After that, here in the profile section, you will get this API section. Before getting API, I'll show you which model you can easily access unlimited with free of cost. Here, explore the model section, enable the free endpoint and apply it. There are currently 41 model will be available in free of cost. If you are a developer, MiniMax M2.7 is most popular and there are some other model as well. You can explore it all. First, we will require the API key. Click on API section, generate the API key and give the name free API key. You can give any name that you want and I'll set just for 1 hour. Didn't share your API key with anyone. It will expire in 1 hour. You need to create your API key and use your own API key. Copy the API key and most important things is we are going to use this all the most popular free and unlimited model inside our VS Code. This is the another awesome things. Okay, after copying the API key, go to your editor. We are going to use through the NVIDIA extension. Here is the extension section and the source for the NVIDIA. This is the extension that we are going to use. First install it as I'll trust and install. After you have installed this extension, you can open your chat section from here. Here is the auto section. Click on here and you can get the model that currently will be available. If you are not enable anything, then no any model will be available in your system. Here is the manage language model. Click on here. After you have installing this extension, then it will be reflected on here. Click model. NVIDIA name will be available here. Just click it here and you need to provide the API key that you have created and just hit the enter. Pass your API key again and hit the enter. Now all the available free model will be reflected here. You can see all the model will be available here. You can use any model that you want. Then how you can use this model? Here in auto and in other model, all the NVIDIA model that will be available. You can see DeepSeek V4, DeepSeek V4 Pro. You can also get MiniMax and Kimi K2.6 and other. You can also get a Qwen model and all the free model that will be available in the market. This will be available here. Just search it here like MiniMax. I'm going to use MiniMax. Here you can see MiniMax M2.7 will be available here. Let's start to interact. Hi, You can see, hi, how can I help you with your Flutter app today? This is my Flutter app. It will identify, it will be the Flutter app then, and it will say, how can I help you in your Flutter app? And you can mention MiniMax M2.7 model is it. And if you want to use some other model, then search it like DeepSeek. Let's use this DeepSeek model and again say, how are you? Then this time DeepSeek model responds us. You can see DeepSeek model. And one thing I'll mention before ending this today's video, some model responds faster and some model takes too much time to respond it, because this is the free model and millions of people use this free model at the same time. If you want a quick response, then you need to switch your paid plan. And as of current time, this is the best freely available model in the market, and you can also use this in agentic mode, ask mode and plan mode as well. By this way, you can easily get any model that you have want. All the free model will be available here. This all model provide you the unlimited access. And I'll also mention you one things. If you want to use this free model, try not to use this model in the peak time. Okay, use in the normal time, not in the peak time. By this way, you can easily use this all the free model that will be available in the market, which is provided by NVIDIA. This is the best alternative. If you find this content helpful and if you want this type of AI related content, you may also consider like and subscribe to my channel. Okay.